Okay, so I think I have my my campsite set up pretty well now. I've got my one-person tent behind me. Just put stuff in that so that I have more room for sleeping in my car. But got my fire area ready to go. I'll probably wait until just before it really is getting dark to get that going, because it'll probably only go a couple hours. I've got some water that I got out of the restroom wash area up there, just in case I need to douse the fire. I've got a fire extinguisher. Got the bear box over here, which is pretty sweet. Got my cooler in there. Got my kitchen bin in there, and I've even got my like bathroom hygiene kit in there, because there are things in there that have scents and that will attract bears. Somebody was, whoever the last person was here, left some charcoal. I don't have anything to cook with it, but if it gets cold, maybe tomorrow night I can use that. I don't know. And then over here I've got all the stuff I need. I got my charging up some lights and things like that right now with my power cell. I'm gonna get my jet boil cooking here in a minute for some nice protein bowl. And then tonight I'll sleep in here, and I've got all the custom shades up, so it should stay nice and warm and toasty in here. And if not, this is a nice warm sleeping bag. So yeah, dinner time. So now I'm gonna get some dinner going here, and it's pretty simple. Got the jet boil system here, so I'm gonna just put a little water in there. Never tried this before, this particular meal anyway. Well, let's see how it goes. So down there. Get the gas going. Go. That's gonna boil real fast.